I'm lucky to have a few really good cooks in my life. Several of my friends and family actually cook or used to be cooks professionally, which I've recently learned makes them actually chefs. Anyway, one of them blew me away and blew my mind away when they gave me the secret to amazing family meals. I'm sharing this with you because all too often we overthink meal planning and meal preparation. But before we go any further, let me introduce myself for those of you who may not know me. My name is David Bennett of the Metabolic Body Reset, and I help busy women and men, moms and dads, lose weight, regain their energy, and feel more confident in themselves, and most importantly, keep the weight off. The advice is so simple and foolproof that it completely transformed how I personally approach making a meal. So here it is. As long as you put together ingredients that taste good, your meal is going to taste good. I told you it was simple. However, I'm going to take it to the next level with one slight change. I would add the words healthy whole food to the ingredient criteria. As long as you put together healthy whole food ingredients that taste good, your meal will be healthy and taste good. I used to spend way too much time overcomplicating recipes, and it always felt like a chore to cook. You know, something fancy like, braised Brussels sprouts with pork tenderloin and a side of peaches, which is fun sometimes, but gets really old really fast, and the cleanup takes way too long. Instead, it's all about putting together delicious protein, vegetables with some healthy fat, and maybe sometimes a little bit of whole grain. And then adding a seasoning or sauce that tastes great, or you can even throw them together in a pot with some broth and make a soup. Now, on any given day, you will find in my fridge some of these choices. Protein choices, chicken, ground beef, sometimes salmon, and we'll also have vegetables, carrots, cauliflower, broccoli. Those are the things that we keep on hand to use daily. So when it's time to put together a meal for lunch or dinner, all we have to do is grab the ingredients and put it together. It's not always fancy, but it's always healthy and delicious. And it also keeps me on track with my goals and energized to take on my day. Like I always say, it's the small, simple steps that add up to big results. So what are you having for dinner tonight? Let me know. If you resonated with these ideas, I know you're going to love the Metabolic Body Reset. It's an easy-to-use framework to help you create lasting weight loss, regain your energy, have more confidence, and help overcome metabolic syndrome and insulin resistance. Take a minute and go to my website and schedule a one-on-one call with me to discuss your specific situation so that I can answer any questions you have and you can see how the Metabolic Body Reset can fit into your lifestyle.